Bonjour, je m'appelle Uwais. Why am I speaking in French? Okay, in your face here am I? Come here, look, embrace this face. Because you're gonna see this face every day after this. Anyway, oh here, hi Afiq, come here. They're waiting for you.
Fake language by fake people.
Oh, ouch.
Hi everyone, welcome back to liveatpc.com, and today we have a special guest with us. We have our intern, Uwais. Uwais, introduce yourself.
Well, today I'm a guest, but soon, who knows? Okay, my name is Mama Uwais, 22 years old, single, and ready to mingle.
Great, now on. Okay, so today we're going to do a little unboxing for you guys. So yesterday I received some packages from Huawei. Today they just announced some new items. So I thought it would be a good idea to invite Uwais to unbox today's product, since he knows little to nothing about tech, and I mean, like I'm no tech savvy as well. But I thought it would be interesting to have a guest for today's episode. We are unboxing the Huawei Gentle Monster.
Where's the monster?
The price.
Oh.
Okay, so if you don't know, it was just announced today that this is Huawei's new smart glasses. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing, shall we? So, wives, do the honors.
How to open?
Just rip off the plastic.
Okay, there's no knife. What?
You don't need a knife.
I can't feel all this. Okay, you buka plastic then, later I buka lah. I'm not just not know about technology. Most of the time I know nothing. Okay, I want to do this one.
Alright.
You know that one episode in SpongeBob where they open a box and then another box?
That's the case, I believe.
This time, yes.
Show the audience.
Okay. I've always been wanting to do this. Like, you know, you can see. Gitu. Okay, pose!
Okay, anyway, what do we have here in the box? So we have the glasses themselves. They look like normal glasses. Don't they look like normal glasses?
It looks like my dad's glasses.
Great. So what could be smart about these other than it looks good? So we will soon find out. So let's see what else is in the box other than these cool glasses. The frame is very thick.
Can I wear first?
Yeah.
I look uglier than ever. Okay, so shall we?
Open it.
Okay. Oh. And that's on that asteroid.
And this is what I have to live with every day. Okay, so we have your warranty card, your instruction manuals, and what is this? Your glass wipes. And we also have a USB cable to charge the glasses. Actually, you can charge the watch by just putting back in the case. There's a USB plug right here at the back of the case. That's basically it in the box. So let's try out the glasses themselves.
You know what? When I see that I look ugly, I actually look good. Should I go? You read first. That, oh my god, I look older but still good. Then I will look thinner and slimmer. Am I?
Okay, first, give me the glasses. Do we have to charge it first?
Yes, charging.
Right, so let's
charge it.
Get the cable. I have the adapter. I'll be right back.
Okay. Hai, bersama kita lagi dalam rancangan Majalah 3. Bersama kita kembali dalam rancangan Majalah 3 bersama dengan saya, Majalah 4. Place your glasses in the case and connect the charger.
Hold for 3, 6, 1. Wait, is this even on? Okay.
I have to deal with that too.
If you know us both personally, you know which one has to deal with the other more.
Ouch.
And we're back. Okay, so apparently you need to charge the what I keep saying watch or phone. I think it's because I'm reviewing too many watches and phones at the moment.
It's okay, let me do that one. So we need to charge these
glasses.
Okay. We need to charge these charge these glasses.
Pairing it with my phone. Okay, so it's connected.
So you wear it and
try tapping on
which one? Which I have to tap?
Try calling my phone.
I swear to God, if it rings on my head.
Okay, try tapping twice on the red. Yeah, on the side here.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Hello. Is it clear? Hiya. Yeah, I'm speaking now. Hiya.
Can you hear my voice on the?
Yes. I can.
Try swiping left and right here to volume. Hello?
Yes.
Okay, alright. There you go. Whoa. It's okay. So basically, if you want to receive or hang up phone calls, just tap on the right side twice. There's a red indicator on the right frame here. And then if you want to adjust your volume, just swipe left and right. Okay, let's try some music, shall we?
Okay, play what?
I'm just gonna play a parody.
No, make it talk. There's somewhere. I'm talking.
I can hear it. I can hear it from here.
There's somewhere.
That's
Oh,
pretty.
this is the one of the loudest actually.
Okay, I want to test. Can I play my own song? Oh my god! It sounds like I'm actually putting headphones on here.
Yeah.
This is awesome. This is so cool. So basically, I guess that's pretty much it. What was your initial thoughts?
I thought you'd be like, you know, Tom Holland Spider-Man, when he gives the glasses to back and then it is. Yeah, I forgot the name. It is. So I thought it turns out something like it is, like, you know, that's it. But then I forgot we live in 2020 and stock industries doesn't exist.
My initial thought is that I'm very impressed with the audio because it does feel like I was wearing headphones. So maybe I will test it out soon when I'm out in public to see, you know, because obviously you don't want it to be too loud so that people can hear what the hell you're listening to. So I will test that in a public setting where it's too noisy. So how exactly loud should I put the glasses on? That sounds so weird now. Like how loud can you put the glasses on? That's not something you say for glasses, right?
It sounds dumb, but with this, it sounds smart.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for joining me for today's video.
You will see me more.
If you enjoyed, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxing, and please be sure to follow us on our social media at lifeatpc.com on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, which he will be handling.
And if you're interested in me, PM the P.
Goodbye.
Bye.